Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to change your customize on Gmail account. So Gmail inbox customize. So now I'm click on just a browser open and I will show just 2 minutes. So today's video was starts just I'm click on Google Chrome browser and click Gmail account and open Google Workspace and just wait for response. And I am totally customize this theme. Default theme is white skin and customize your inbox and density default and comfortable zone and theme. Okay, just I'm view theme and theme just click Roman guys. Okay, and save. So now click your theme setting and click again theme and view all. Okay, change your theme, just try and save. So just I hope enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.